Hi everyone, Namaste, and welcome back to your channel, The Unmuted Mic. I am Pooja, your host, who's ready and set to touch all those grey areas which remained untouched or went just under the carpet. Let me take you or give you a sneak peek as to what we discussed in the last episode. I mentioned that I was Mia for 6 months, or I would say I was muted for 6 months. But I also mentioned in the course of that 6 months, it made me or hit some realistic topic which we never addressed, or maybe we never thought about it. So, one such topic that I'm going to address today. Hold your horses, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to talk about the most unspoken topic, that is confidence. Looks very normal, right? I mean, confidence doesn't give any sort of clue. But let me tell you, confidence is not always taken or perceived the way it is. Hang on, before I break the ice, go ahead and listen to this video.
अब प्रियंका, ये तो बात आप मानेंगे, आपने ये भी माना कि आप सबसे बड़ी चोर है या एरोगेंट भी हैं।
अगर अपने आप को अपनी निगाहों में बेस्ट समझना एरोगेंस है तो मैं हूँ।
तो आप ये कहती हैं कि मैं ही हूँ नंबर 1 और मेरे आगे कोई नहीं।
मैं जो काम करती हूँ उसमें मैं हमेशा बेस्ट होना पसंद करती हूँ।
Heard it right? Such a vivacious woman, such a successful woman, right? Confidence at par. But hang on, there's something more coming up. Now go ahead and listen to this video.
बट मेरे हिसाब से what is better is to say that you are the best, not bother about others. कि आप कितने घटिया हैं, आप कितने बढ़िया हैं, आप कितने अच्छे हैं, मैं कभी कंपैरिजन नहीं करता। आप जैसे हैं वैसे हैं, आप बहुत ही बढ़िया, आप ग्रेटेस्ट हैं, लेकिन मैं उससे थोड़ा सा बेटर हूँ। तो लॉजिक ऐसा रहता है।
Heard both the videos, and when you listen to both the videos, one thing is very common between the two videos, that is confidence. Two different personalities, same confidence, same level of success. But when Priyanka Chopra was hit with the questions, she came across, or she was perceived as an intimidating personality, overconfident, arrogant, and whatnot. It just goes on. Whereas when Shah Rukh Khan had given the interview, it hit like, oh my god, such an inspiring man. What an admiration, right? Such a successful man, charismatic personality, and so on. What I'm trying to tell here is that when a woman is confident, okay, it always lands or is being judged as arrogance. Whereas when a man speaks out or tells I'm successful or is successful in his life, it's always perceived as, oh, what a hard-working man he is. One question I have for y'all. When did confidence become gender biased? This was about greater personalities, right? I'm sure the question must have hit you, and the pause in the question must have made you realize, अरे हाँ यार, कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं लग रहा है, ये मोर और लेस जेंडर बायस्ड लग रहा है ना? ये सवाल मेरे दिमाग में भी आया था. In fact, I want to take you all through one more example. This is the month of March, right? Oh, sorry, April, right? March, April. The most booming time in the industry of IT, or maybe I would say for all the people who work in the global industry or IT industry, it's a booming year, booming time, I would say. In that course of time, why I'm telling is that a booming time is because in this period, people get promoted, you have your hike cycles, you jump jobs, you change your careers, right? Or I would not talk about the change of career, but I would definitely say we get promoted, some people get demoted, some people get their memos, warnings, and whatnot. But when a woman walks out of the conference room and she tells, hey guys, you know what, I got promoted, I'm a manager today, and पीछे से ऐसी आवाजें आती है, अच्छा ये मैनेजर बन गई, ये क्या काम करती थी यार, वर्क फ्रॉम होम तो करती थी, कब हमने इसको काम करते हुए देखा है? मैनेजर बन गई, कुछ तो कॉम्प्रोमाइज किया ही होगा इस बंदी ने, तब भी तो मैनेजर बनी है। Those whispers, it still hits me today. They still hit me. But when a man walks out of the conference room with a confidence saying that, hey guys, wish me congratulations, I have got promoted. And people are like, oh man, you deserved it. तुम तो रात रात भर के काम करते थे यार, तुम तो deserve करती हो. You are an inspiration. हमें भी तुम लोगों की तरह, आपकी तरह बनना है. And what not. So there, nobody hears the whisper. But when a woman speaks, woman becomes successful. There's always those whispers behind, आंटी जी आके पीछे आके बात करती है. क्यों? किस दुनिया में है हम लोग? हम बोलते हैं हम AI की दुनिया में हैं, है ना? बट हम अभी तक इक्वालिटी के बारे में हम बात तो करते हैं, बट इस चीजों में इक्वालिटी अभी भी पीछे ही रह गई है. वो पर्दों के पीछे, कॉन्फ्रेंस डोर के पीछे, whispers में. Why? Think about it. इस सब में मुझे याद आया, confidence becomes overconfidence when it makes people uncomfortable, especially when it is a woman, right? Men are raised in the room to own the room, and women are raised in the room to be liked in the room. The perceptions, ideas are so different, isn't it? Now let me take you all to the statistics. What does our statistics actually say? It's time for some facts now. I have some statistic put across right here for you all, right? So if you look at that statistics, these are the growth statistics, okay? Whatsoever the market that you are into. If you see the performance feedbacks, 76% of the women perceived critical personality feedback in annual reviews versus 2% of the men. Where is 76%, guys? And where is 2%? Whereas tone, when we talk about tone, 58% of the negative reviews of a woman mentioned tone or communication style versus 16% of the men. हम लोग जब बात, we just saw the video of Priyanka and Shah Rukh Khan. She also mentioned that she is a successful woman and he said I carry success. दोनों का tone में I never found any difference. But when it perceived, if you get a chance to go ahead and watch that video, go to the comment section and do watch that video. Priyanka Chopra के बारे में लिखा क्या है? The older video, older comments. I'm not talking of the latest comments. The older comments. It is always like, oh, she's so arrogant. Successful क्या बन गई है तो उड़ने लगी है. And what not. So tones are same, but it is perceived again so differently. And also assertiveness penalty, 3x more likely assertive women are labeled as aggressive versus assertive men in the same role. And 69% of the managers say a confident woman feels, off-putting. Same behavior praised in men. Looking at this statistics, I never thought that confidence is also taken, in that sense. When I was, deciding to pick up a topic, I was like, confidence के बारे में क्या ही बोलूंगी. But when I started researching about it and when I got to know, it just shook me. I was devastated. We also work hard, right? It's not that we don't. In fact, women, they are known as a multitasking. And let me tell you one more thing. This is not happening right today. Eras, it's going on. Okay? So this is not the statistics that I've gotten right now, couple of days, decades ago. Eras I'm talking about. I have a question for you. If you all also have faced the similar thing, comment down below. I would love to know your stories. And trust me, if I find any interesting stories, I will definitely come up on the same story of the same person in my next video. Till then, my lovely people, frown your eyebrows upside down and be alert. Let's change this. I know it's very easy to say ki let's change it. But if we are not going to stand for ourselves, nobody else is going to speak for us. At least not on behalf of a woman, right? With that, Pooja is signing off, keeping a thought in her mind that let's not make confidence gender biased. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel because I'm going to come up with more such interesting facts which is going to keep your eyebrows frowned upside down. Pooja signing off for the day. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.